Hi guys, in this video we will see how to import a Microsoft Word documents in Google Docs space. If we want to import or insert a Microsoft Word page in Google Docs, then here are the process. First, launch Google Docs. Open Google Docs. And now we will see how to insert a Microsoft Word page in your Google Docs. Here you will find search icon. Open the picker, click on it. Here you will find various options: recent, my drive, shared with me, start, computers, or upload. So if you want to upload a Word documents from your computer, then choose upload, choose browse, or drag a file to upload to my drive and select. You can also drag your Word file, Microsoft Word file from here. Otherwise choose browse and choose a Microsoft Word file from your browser and click on open. Now your Microsoft Word page will open in docs format, and you can easily edit or change all this process as per docs settings. Various type of feature available, you can easily set it. Once the Word file uploads, Google Docs opens it automatically and converts it to its own format, ready for you to start to edit, share and collaborate. If you upload the Word file to Drive, the document will have a blue W icon next to its file name on your Google Docs homepage. So you can easily edit. You can still click to open and edit it as normal. The document will have a Docs icon next to its title to indicate the format. When you finish the documents, you can download it as Docs, ODT, RTF, PDF, text, HTML, EPUB or MD. Click File, download your desired format. It's download directly to where files are saved from your browser. That's all.